This will eventually lead us to the final conflict, the war between Iran and the United States. Iran has been preparing for a long time, okay? Ever since 1979, America's been preparing for a long time. This conflict is World War III. I cannot overstate how brutal this conflict will be. It will lead to fundamental changes in the world. Our lives will never be the same again. Everything that we've known in the past is now gone forever. And we have to prepare for a new future. So, I leave you with a message, okay? I know that this class has been depressing. You've been with me for a year now. It's been very depressing, okay? Because we've gone into the heart of darkness of humanity. And I know that the world looks more and more terrible. But remember this, okay? And this is my final message to you. Remember this. The greatest minds of humanity, which include Homer, Dante, Immanuel Kant, they've all told us this. They've all told us one secret of the universe, one message, which is this. The imagination is the animating force of the universe. Love is the unifying force of the universe. Okay? What this means is this. What this means is that in the darkest times, when all hope has been lost, when there's only despair, any of us, you, me, you, any one of us, can rise up, stand up, and be the light to lead humanity forward. Okay? And that's the task ahead of us if we are to save humanity in this darkest of times. Okay? So remember this. We all have the capacity to imagine. We all have the capacity to love. That's what makes us human. In the worst times, we must defend our own humanity. Okay? So that is it. Thank you so much.